Hello everyone. Today we learn about Davison-German experiment. Without wasting any time, let's begin. Davison and Germer experiment in 1924. Louis de Broglie postulated that all forms of matter have both wave and particle characteristics. According to this hypothesis, electron, just like light, have a dual particle wave nature too. American physics C.J. Davison and L.H. German were the first to experimentally prove the wave nature of material particles in 1927. Display here is a block diagram of the experimental setup used by Davison and Germer. It consists of a nickel chloride crystal, the target an electron gun G, and a detector. The electron gun produced a beam of electron. The electron gun used by them consisted of tungsten filament F and high and low tension batteries. The low tension battery was used to heat the filament. The red hot filament produced an electron beam. A high tension battery was provided to accelerate electron beam. The detector or the electron collector moved on a graduated circular scale. A sensitive galvanometer was also connected to the detector. How did they perform the experiment? Perform the experiment. The electron beam was made to pass through a pinhole. The made to strike the crystal. Normally, the electron scattered in all directions, acting like wave. They observed that at certain angles, the detector indicate a peak in the intensity of the scattered electron beam. This maximum intensity was due to constructive interference, a phenomena confined only to waves. Thus, the experimental approved the wave nature of electrons. Davison and Germer plotted a graph taking the angle between the incident and scatter direction of the electron beam phi along the y-axis and the intensity of the scattered beam at different value of accelerated potential along the x-axis. The nature of the graph is shown here. From the experimental curve obtain the following conclusion, where drawn intensity of scattering depends upon the angle of scattering phi. A bump or kink always occurs in the curve, then phi is equal to 50 degrees. This bump or kink increases as the accelerating potential difference is increased at 54 volts. This bump is maximum and then it decreases on further increases of potential difference. This peak indicated the wave behavior of the electrons. Thus, Strauss-Ingera experiment verifies the Broglie hypothesis of wave nature of matter particles.